What's up everybody, Brandon DIYB Sim Racing here. Got a few upgrades in the studio, starting with a 4K capture card, hopefully fixing some of the frame rate issues that I was having in the prior video. Aside from that, we added some lighting in the area for the pedals, and hopefully that will make it to where the cameras don't have to work so hard to capture a good image. So to test this, we are doing a circuit race in the 2017 Nissan GTR. We are using the Logitech G920, steering wheel, pedals, and H pattern shifter. All right, let's get it. Whoa, getting squirrely up there. Oh, of course. Innocent bystander over here. Woo, that was a nasty take. Third position. Watch out, guys. This guy. Nervous on this final lap. Don't want to screw anything up. They're not too far behind. I do have a healthy lead. Just need to stay about my P's and Q's here. Final lap. Alright, good fun as always playing Forza Horizon 4. Looking forward to the release of Forza Horizon 5 in November. If you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and we'll see you next time.